On top inside Edo today, and onto Obaseki education reform. Now Edo don take collect third position for 2019 WAEC, wey students write finish wey never too tey. Edo State, wey na im first carry third position for best result for WAEC, don still collect the third position back for 2019 WAEC, wey be West African Examination Council. Na Anambra State na im carry second and Abia State na im carry first on top 2019 WAEC best performance. As Governor Godwin Obaseki dey talk about Edo State performance for 2019 WAEC, wey na national exam, na im come salute everybody wey dey throw body put on top education sector, make e for be Ogbonge one, and say im administration don already dey chook eye put inside the result and dem dey plan to carry first for the next WAEC exam. Special adviser to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osage, when na him come talk Governor Godwin Obaseki mind on top the exam, come talk say Governor Obaseki dey congratulate the students, teachers, and all the staff of Ministry of Education. He still dey congratulate their development partners and stakeholders wey dey on top education sector unto how dem take still dey gidigba on top the third position for 2019 WAEC. He tok say Edo State don first collect third position for 2018 and dem retain the position for 2019, say but dem go try make dem carry ogbonge position for the next exam wey go soon waka come. For WAEC ranking wey na im dem take give position to state, na Abia State na im collect first, Anambra State carry second, while we ogbonge Edo State come carry third. Rivers State carry fourth position, Imo carry 5th position, and Lagos dey on top of 6th position. Bayelsa carry 7th position, Delta carry 8th position, Enugu carry 9th position, and Ebonyi dey on top 10th position. Still on top the ranking na Ekiti State, Kaduna State, and Ondo State take collect 11th, 12th, and 13th positions. Abuja carry 14th position and Kogi carry 15th position. Benue, Akwa Ibom, and Kwara carry 16th, 17th, and 18th position. Ogun carry 19th position and Cross River come still collect 20th position. Taraba State follow for this one as im carry 21st position and Plateau State carry 22nd position. Nasarawa State dey on top 23rd position and Kano dey on top 24th position. Borno, Oyo, and Niger State collect 25th, 26th, and 27th position. Adamawa State collect 28th position and Osun State dey 29th position. Sokoto State dey on top 30th position. Bauchi, Kebbi, and Katsina dey 31st, 32nd, and 33rd position. Gombe, Jigawa, and Zamfara dey on top 34th, 35th, and 36th position. Yobe na im come carry 37th position. On top the informate wey dey come from commission, e show say about 1.6 million candidates na enroll for 2019 May WAEC for Nigeria, wey 1,020,519 candidates na represent 64.18% wey collect credit and above on top minimum of 5 subjects wey English and Maths waka follow. 1,309,570 candidates, wey represent 82.35%, collect credit and above for minimum of 5 subjects wey no get Maths and English. 180,205 candidates, wey represent 11.33% of the total number of candidates wey sit down for this WAEC exam wey shele for 2019. Their results dey withheld based on say dem throway body put on top wuruwuru on top exam wey oyibo dey call exam malpractice. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State don collect third position for 2019 WAEC ranking performance. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey reach una dey so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. So dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.